Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Brian, thanks for tuning in. Today I'm doing a quick video. I am going to do a moderation of a straight pour and I'm going to wreck it, but I'm not going to just pour straight directly out of the cup. I'm kind of going to pour in little blob sections. And then I'll put my flow extender down and then I'm going to go ahead and wreck it. So don't really know how this one's going to come out, but I thought I would just give something different. Instead of just doing your standard turn the cup, let the paint pour out, maybe just kind of pour and pour and pour in little blobby areas. So fingers crossed, we'll see how it goes. All right, let's get down on the canvas and paint. Be right back. All right, so what I've got is an 18 by 24 canvas. I don't really hate this one, but I'm just not happy with the composition in it. Wasn't real happy with the color selection and how it dried. And so instead of keeping it, I thought, well, let's just go ahead and paint over top of it. So we're gonna need about 15 ounces of paint. We're gonna use a 16-ounce cup. We're gonna do a straight pour. The colors I'm using today, I'm using the Emerald and DecoArt's Metallics Americana Decor. I'm using one of my favorites, which is the Phthalo blue from Amsterdam. Iridescent gold from Pebeo. And DecoArt in the Dazzling Metallics in the Peacock pearl. I really do like this paint a lot. As far as the color goes, it's a little on the thinner side, so you have to thicken things up. My mix today I'm using is mix pour, paint and water. It's a pretty thick consistency. And so let's get to layering this cup. I'm gonna layer these colors a few times in the cup. So I'm gonna start off with the green. Phthalo blue. Got some white from Creative Inspirations, their titanium white. The gold. The Peacock. And then we're just going to come right back in here again until we fill this up. Phthalo blue. Let's try. Phthalo next to the Peacock there. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a straight pour, but I think what I wanna do is I'm gonna pour in globs and then wreck. We'll see, I don't know. Let's try. Now I've got a flow extender that's very loose, so we're just going to pour this right on around here. It's going to get tilted off, so that's fine. Okay, so now that we've got that, now let's go ahead and do a little wrecking here. Let's I think that's good. We'll give it a torch here. All right, let's open this bad boy up. I'm digging this. I'm kind of shocked I lost a lot of the gold. I mean, you can see it. It's coming in. Doesn't look bad at all. You can see it through here, faintly through here. So maybe when it dries, it might come up a little bit. But overall, yes, looks really, really cool. Very abstract, which was where I was going with this. That's why I wrecked it. You know, this green, emerald green from DecoArt, you have to remember it will do a lot of taking over. And so you see a lot of the green in it, but that's okay. So I got a lot of air bubbles in here, so let's give this a torch. I'll clean up the edges. All right, here we go. Check it out. Looks pretty cool. I'm calling this Underwater Ivy. Just looks like an underwater seaweed fest. Let me bring you in here. All right, we'll see this dry. I'll be right back. All right, here we go. Looks pretty good. Definitely giving me that underwater ivy look. Let's bring you in here. Check out all the cells that came up. All right, that's gonna do it for the video today. So again, that's what it dried like. I like it. Let me first of all say I like the painting a lot. I'm loving the blue and the green. Something that I have to remember moving forward, this emerald green from DecoArt takes over. So a little goes a long way when it comes to using the emerald green from DecoArt. But I like this. It's giving me that underwater ivy seaweed vibe. So I'm digging it. I'm gonna put some gloss varnish on it, and then I'll get it up on my Etsy shop. So thanks everyone for watching. I really appreciate all your support. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Also, if you'll do me a favor and share my art page on your socials, that'll help give me some traction too. So, all right, everyone, have a great day. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.